This 2026 Grand Design Lineage Super C Series F31ZW is a Class C RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2026 Grand Design Lineage Super C Series F31ZW and is powered by a 6.7 L4 volts 8-cylinder engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.